Hello everybody and welcome to your official Loog guitar lessons. I'm so glad you joined me. My name's Emily Zimmer. I'm going to be your teacher. Let's rock. It's time to learn how to play your F minor chord. Now all you need is your first finger, but it's a little bit tricky. You're going to flatten that first finger out and you're going to press down on all three strings at the first fret, like that. Now, here's what you want to do to get a good grip. You want to put the thumb print part of your thumb on the back of the neck of the guitar like this. And then you want to pinch your fretted notes between your thumb print and your flattened first finger like that. So you want to avoid trying to grab the guitar like this. This is not actually going to help you fret if you do it with your thumb and your finger like that. With time, as you strengthen that finger by learning more songs and more chords, you're going to be able to get a nice firm grip and make that chord come out nicely. So keep trying, you'll get there, and I'll see you in another lesson. Remember to subscribe to the Loog Guitars channel and press the bell icon so you can get notified every time we have a new lesson up. Until next time.